Okay, this is my test latch up for a gear pump driven diesel burner. We've got a DC motor here and a coupling there, and if I just open this, there's the gear pump, the inlet just a simple dip tube. The outlet from the gear pump tees off to a bulkhead union, and at the bottom there is the pressure relief valve, which I've set to 120 psi. Let's put that back. The motor is driven by a 12 volt DC power supply, so I've got variable control of the speed and the output, and similarly I have a blower system which has been taken from a stick vacuum cleaner, and I'll just move this. A bit awkward when it's one-handed. So we've got the blower there, again 12 volt DC, run off a variable power supply, couples up to the burner tube, and just inside there is a conventional fuel oil boiler nozzle, pressure nozzle, and the one I've selected at the moment is about 0.35 gallons, that's US gallons per hour, at 100 psi pressure. So the relief valve in this pump has been set to 120 so I don't over pressurise these pneumatic fittings, which are really rated to 150.